welcome to our next scratch video. Pardon me. What I'm going to do is just go through a few simple projects just for us to get used to the interface, really, the interface. So let me come over to my coding view. Let me open Scratch. I've already got it open. So remember, coding blocks, our code and our actions, our sprites here. Right, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to look at letters, what we can do with letters. And the first one we're going to do is we're just going to do a simple letter. It's going to change color. If I click on that and we go to letters, right, and I went too fast here, let me go back. Okay, we click on this, see where the sprite window is. We click on choose a sprite, but at this moment in time we want a letter, right? And I'm going to start with L. So it puts our L there. Next thing we need to do is get rid of Scratch. Right, so Scratch is gone. The next thing we need to do is a background. This is our backgrounds. Right, and we'll click on that. And you can pick whatever you want. I'm going to pick Broadwalk. There we go. See in our picture, we've got our background and we've got our L. We can move that wherever we want. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to do some code. So we need orange. Okay. And we need, I think it's orange, might be yellow. When this sprite is clicked, the third one down, all right, drag it across. Right, we just drag that across. And now we need to change the color. So I think it's that one. And let me just check. Change color effect. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We drag that across and see how they click together. We can change the numbers in here. But first of all, I just want to show you what happens when we click the L. It changes colour. Right. Now what if we change the number? Let's change it to 30. Notice how the number changed? 30. And let's click what colour's 30. It's a light blue. And then we got, let's go to my age, 21. I wish. And there we go, blue. There you go. That is the first simple project. Really simple. Okay, let's move on. Now we're going to make a letter spin. Right. So let's get rid of all this. Send it all back. Delete this. And I don't know how to delete that. But go to Sprite Library. Choose a letter. Again. Let's K. So we've got K, right? Choose the letter Sprite. Right, now we're going to add the code. Again, when this sprite is clicked, right, orange, it says here, repeat, right, 10 times, and now motion, okay, turn whichever way you want, but this time it clicks into there, right? So let's try. There you go. And then if we change the number, let's do it 50 degrees. Yeah, 50 degrees. See it spin? Now what this is all adding up to is that when we start doing effects, moving numbers, moving letters, it'll all add up. All right. So there we go. We got our K. Right. So that's that one. Now let's click and play a sound this time. So go to Sprite, pick a letter. I'm happy with the letter K. Choose your Sprite. And background, we're going to use the same background, boardwalk. Right, we now got to add this code. So we need to put that away. Put that away. So, sounds. Okay. So when this is clicked, when the letter's clicked, play a sound. Click that on there. Okay. And so then what we do, we can choose our sound. Meow. Right, let's try it. Did you hear that? You might not have heard it with my microphone because my microphone's got what's the word? It eliminates background. Did you hear it? I'll do it one more time. Okay, I hope you heard that. If not, I assure you when you do it, it will make a sound. Whether you're using the Raspberry Pi or the one on the computer. Right, next, we're going to do a dancing letter. All right, we're going to do a dancing letter. First thing we're going to do is choose a new background. And we're going to choose what they choose here, stage. Let's choose the stage. We haven't got a stage on this one. Obviously this is written for an old version, but all right, we'll do a theatre. Yeah, we'll do a theatre. Right, then we're going to choose a letter. I'm happy with K. Let me get rid of that. Right, and then click the extensions button. Which is this. Add extensions. Then click music. Right. And click music to add music blocks. Right, okay. So, when the sprint is clicked, motion, move 10 steps. Green, play. Drum, snare. Right. Then we go back to blue. Move 10 steps. And back to music. And it's saying here, play drum. Drop down what drum we want to play. And closed hi-hat. Right. Now, let's hope you hear it. The drums. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hopefully you heard that, but you saw it move. Right, you saw it move. So we now can move, turn, and play music. All right. So now we're going to do change size. Right, we've got our letter. Okay. So things we got to do now. Let's get rid of the old code. Motion. Right. Control. Okay, so we got our letter. And when this sprite is clicked, repeat. Pull this in. And we can change our repeat 15 times. Change size. Where's that? Change size. That clicks in here. We'll keep it on 10. We'll keep it on 10. Then we want the repeat again. Goes in there. That's we'll put that 15. And then change size. Where's change size? I just got it from here, didn't I? Was it this one? No, it's not that colour. What colour was it? Change size. Where is it? Yeah, change size. And this time we're going to put -10. Right, let's try it and see what happens. There you go. Up and down, up and down. This is easier than I thought it was going to be. Right. Press the key to make the letter change. Right. So, choose a background. Okay, let's choose a background. We'll change it this time to a wall. Right. So we change our background. Choose a letter. Oh, let me delete that. Should we choose a different letter? choose one of these glowing ones. Let's choose a W. All right. Now we've got to add this code. This time, when space key is pressed. Okay. When space key is pressed, then motion, turn to the right or left 90 degrees. And then what we're going to do is colour on here, colour. Change size, change colour. Effect by 25. Right. So this time we don't press the W, we press the space key. There you go. And it changes colour when we press the space key. Cool. I really like this program. I really do. Right. I think that'll be it for this video. For this quick, simple video. Do you agree? I think it's quite an easy program to learn. As we go through, we get more and more. I don't think it's difficult, but if this is what our kids are learning, we can certainly learn with them, and we can certainly get on a computer and play and have fun with them. Okay, so that's great, really good. So don't forget, subscribe and like, and see you in the next video where we'll continue with the online tutorials. Okay, bye.